Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change server in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Alright, so let's begin. The process is quick and simple, so just follow these steps carefully. First, open Mobile Legends on your phone and wait until you reach the main lobby screen. At the top left corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it to open your profile section. Once you're inside your profile, look at the bottom right area and tap on the account tab. This will open your account settings where you can manage different options related to your game account. Inside the account section, look for the switch server option. It is usually displayed on the right hand side. Tap on switch server and you'll see a list of available servers that you can move to. Now select the server you want. After selecting it, tap on switch server again to confirm your choice. A message will appear saying that the server switch requires restarting the game. To apply the changes, completely close the game from your recent apps and then reopen it. After restarting, your server will be changed successfully, and that's it. This is how you can change server in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.